Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the concept of free fall. Free fall, whenever an object moves under the influence of the force of gravity alone, is called as free fall. So, whenever an object is moving under the influence of gravity alone, under the influence of gravity, that movement is called as free fall. I repeat, whenever an object is moving under the influence of gravity alone, that movement is known as the free fall. When an object is, suppose there is a ball, when an object is falling downwards towards the earth, the if the body is falling from a height towards the earth, in this condition the body is considered to be in a free fall. This is because the object falling towards the earth is due to the gravitational force of attraction of the earth. In a body which is falling freely will have only gravitational force and no other force will be acting on it. So on this ball only gravitational force will be acting. No external force will be acting on it. Many scientists were investing on the question, is there any change in velocity of the free falling body? So, when the body is falling from a height, is the velocity changing? We know velocity has two parameters, that is direction and magnitude. So if a velocity has to be changed, its direction has to be changed or either its direction or its magnitude has to be changed. If a body is falling from a height, the direction is downwards, but its velocity keeps on increasing. Now when a body is falling from a height, the direction is downwards, so direction is not changing. But what is observed is, as the object is moving downwards, its velocity is increasing. Its velocity keeps on increasing. As the body moves towards the earth, its velocity increases. Suppose we are recording time and distance travelled by a ball falling from a height. So let's try to understand it with the time and the distance travelled by the object and the velocity. Suppose this ball is falling from a height. After 1 second, I observed that the ball has travelled 4 meters downwards. So the velocity was 9.8 meters per second. After one more second, after the second second, I observed that the body is moving 18 meters. Here the velocity is 19.6 meters per second. So the velocity is increasing as it is moving downwards towards the earth. After 3 seconds, I observed that the body has covered 43 meters and the velocity here is 29.4 meters per second. From the table above, we can see the ball's velocity increases as it moves towards the earth. We can also say the velocity changes continuously. We know change in velocity is called as acceleration. So whenever there is a change in the velocity, change of velocity is called as acceleration. This is called as acceleration. Change in velocity is called as acceleration. When we are taking about a free falling object, it has continuous acceleration. This acceleration is due to Earth's gravitational force. Then this acceleration is due to gravity. So in a free falling object, the object is under the influence of gravity alone. There is no other force acting on it. When the object is falling from a height, its direction is not changing, it is falling downwards. But its magnitude keeps on changing, its velocity keeps on changing, it keeps on increasing. So there is a continuous change in the acceleration.